What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 12.1.4. And first, as you can see, I'm not jailbroken. And this is, of course, a 100% free jailbreak. And to begin with, I would like to warn you that if you see so-called human verification, then it's guaranteed fake. There are a shitload of those out there. But anyway, what you need to do is, from your iOS device, start the Safari browser and go to this address here, Pangu12.mobile. And here they will tell you how this works, and they will tell you that you can't install Cydia on a device that has not been jailbroken, because Apple has not approved that app. But you can, of course, install apps that Apple has approved. So they simply hid the jailbreak inside of approved applications. So when you start this approved application, it can be installed, of course. So when you start this, then the jailbreak and Cydia will be installed in the background. So go to this site and scroll to the very bottom and click on this little icon here to get to the free Jailbreak Injected Apps store. And just pick an app in the list. New apps are added daily. Sometimes these apps get patched. If it's patched, then simply try another one. They're of course all free. And new Jailbreak Injected Apps are added every day. Now when we start this, we're going to let it run for about 30 seconds or so, because right now the jailbreak and Cydia is being installed in the background, and usually you should within 30 seconds see if the jailbreak worked or not. But if you see nothing at all within roughly 30 seconds or so, then there we go. Yeah, I know I don't have a SIM card. And there's Cydia. Like I said, if nothing happens within 30 seconds, roughly, then most likely that app has been patched. So just try another one. They're all, of course, 100% free, as they should be. There's no stupid human verification. And yeah, as you can see, I'm not jailbroken on iOS 12.1.4. So thank you for watching, and you know what to do. Comment, rate, subscribe, everything. And I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Bye.